time.
Okay, everybody, welcome back. So we're gonna do a smoothie for you guys. Smoothie with Matthias. So Matthias, what are we gonna put in the smoothie today?
Milk and blueberries and banana.
Okay, milk, blueberries, and banana. Blueberries are a good source of what? Antioxidants. Can you say that?
Yeah.
Say it.
Antioxidants.
Okay, so he's gonna put that in first. Yeah, blueberry in your mouth. Okay. Now we're gonna do banana. We're doing a half banana. So Matthias, you're gonna put that in there for me. No, you can't break it up good. We're gonna leave it like that since he put it in like that way. Then we're gonna do the milk. Put the milk in there. Got it? Let me help you. All right. Then it's time to do what? You got blueberry in your mouth. It's time to do what? Blend. Now we're gonna pour it up. So he's gonna taste it. How does it taste, Mr. Matthias? How does it taste? Good? Thumbs up? Okay. Gonna tell everybody bye?
Bye.
All right. See y'all later.